Good evening traders, welcome to 200forextips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 29th of April 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can get the updates from the new videos that I post on the YouTube. Okay guys, now let's move towards today's technical analysis, and we are going to start today's discussion from New Zealand USD. So guys, today the market was slow because you know that it was Monday and the market keeps the slower momentum on Mondays. However, we have done extremely well with the signals, and I am going to explain this thing through my technical analysis. So New Zealand USD with a bearish prediction that I have sent the signals in the morning, and New Zealand USD with a bearish expectation from 0.66738 and 0.66420 is the target price. And guys, you can see we have seen a slight downward trend on New Zealand USD. So those traders who have taken the sell positions today, they must have ended up with good profits. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD, the third signal of my signals report, and bearish expectation from 129.322 and 128.926 is the target price. However, the targeted price is not met, but the market went down up to 129.051. So if you have taken the sell positions from here, then you must have ended up with good profits on Great Britain Pound USD. Now let's talk about the USD JPY. It has kept itself very slow, but overall 111665 was the bullish entry and 112071 is the target price. And guys, you can already see the entry was broke few hours ago, and within 5 to 6 hours the market has went up as per the prediction, and still it's into the upward momentum. But overall the market is slow. But if you have traded this zone that I have provided in my signal report, then you must have taken a very good profit. Now let's talk about the USD CHF, another satisfied signal of the day with a bullish expectation from 101.948 and 102.247 is the target price. However, the target price is not met due to the slow momentum, but the market has went up to 1.02162. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions today on USD CHF. They must have ended up with good profits by trading this pair. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. So guys, this was the deceptive signal because if you look at here, I have supplied the bullish signal from 1,444.86, and the market has went up basically for 2 to 3 hours, and after that we have seen the drop, and then the market is just leaning on the entry level again. So guys, just note that until unless the market stays above 1,444.86, then it's in the bullish zone. If it goes below that level, then it will be back into the bearish zone. But right now things are looking bullish to me. So let's see how things go tomorrow, because we also have to see the US session. So we will decide about this tomorrow. At last, I'm going to talk about Euro JPY, and this is a bullish signal from my side from 124.706 and 125.336 is the target price. And guys, you can see the market is on to the way to the target price. We have seen a strong upward momentum, and if it continues like this, then it can go up to 125.336. Okay guys, this is all about the technical analysis, and moreover, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary, for example, let's talk about this area. You can see the market went up into the top red boundary, then we have seen the rejection. You can sell the pair, but you will sell only when you will see that the market is losing the momentum here. Otherwise you will not sell it. And if you see that the market is into the lower red boundary as per the trading system, and if you see that the market is making the bullish candles from here, then you can buy the pair. And this is how we use the trading system. You will ignore the red arrows at the lower red boundary, and you will trust the white arrows into the lower red boundary. That was a perfect buy signal, and the market has moved up. And you will ignore the white arrows at the top red boundary, and you will trust and seek the red arrows like from the just about near to the overbought levels. The market has given you a sell signal on New Zealand USD, and the market has got the drop. So this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forextips.com. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.